Hi guys, welcome back to another video number 2. We thought we would provide you a little bit of an overview of not only the van, the mobile unit, and the workshop, because do you know what? The weather has been so bad the last couple of weeks. I haven't been able to get my videographer out because it's been too cold. So yeah, today what we're going to do is give you a little bit of a tour of the workshop, show you what we do, a little bit of an overview of the mobile unit, and yeah, let's go. Hi, it's Scott from King Vehicle Damage Repair. The purpose of this video is to show you who we are, what we do, the areas that we serve, and how long we've been in the industry. Who are we? We are a mobile repairer and also operate from a static site. We specialise in high-end vehicle damage repairs. What do we do? Well, we carry out minor damages such as chips, scratches, scuffs and small dents. We also undertake much larger repairs, such as vehicles that have been involved in heavier collisions. How long have we been in the industry? Well, King Vehicle Damage Repair is a relatively new business, just approaching 2 years. I personally have been in the industry for well over 10 years. We are based in the north of London at our static workshop, and we serve North London and surrounding areas. The mobile unit will cover over 100 miles of North London. I'm going to give you an overview of the van in a bit more detail shortly, but first we're going to look at the workshop. Vehicles come in through the workshop doors. They're then placed on our scissor ramp, and then they are stripped by our specialist strip and fitters. Once the vehicle has been stripped, it will go into the repair and preparation bay. You can see this car here has had the door handles removed and the window trims. The repairs have been carried out and the vehicle is now in primer. When the vehicle has been primered and cured, we then start the preparation of the primer. It will be blocked and sanded. Once we're happy with the preparation, we'll then start masking up all the vehicle ready for the paint shop. Here is an example of a panel which has had the primer prepared ready for paint. It has been masked up and now is ready to go into the spray booth. Once a vehicle is ready for paint, it goes into the spray booth, which is a heated booth. The paint application process is carried out, and then the vehicle rolls out, just like this one here. This is a vehicle that was involved in a heavy collision. Have a look at this video from a few weeks prior when it came into us. As a result of the impact, multiple airbags were deployed, such as the dash, the side-mounted airbags, and also the steering wheel. Now this vehicle has been painted, it will go onto our scissor ramp to be put back together by our specialist strip and fitters. We have a wide range of equipment in this workshop, everything associated with vehicle preparation, such as sanders, dual action sanders, blocks, primer guns, sanding discs, you name it, we have it. We also have welding equipment for welding in new panels, and we also have jigs for vehicles that have been involved in heavier accidents and need realignment. This vehicle here is an E46 BMW 330, which is about 20 years old. This vehicle came in with front end damage.
What is happening, people? So this video is going to be filmed from the workshop. What we have here is a E46 BMW 330i coupe. This is an AC Schnitzer edition, as you can see. Now these wheels, I don't believe they are genuine AC Schnitzer wheels. I think they've been changed. I think they were just off the standard CI. But this is a 2000, I believe, about 20 years old, this car. In very, very good condition, all things considering, but it had a smash on the front end. So it's been built up with a donor car, and what we're going to do is repaint the front end. There's a few minor cosmetics on the rest of the car, which will ultimately make us probably need to paint, I'd say, 2/3 of the car anyway. So this has had a new flitch, and what you can probably see is, if you look on the left hand side, you can see that it's original paint, and you'll see in here it's not the same colour. So we're also going to need to spray inside part of the engine bay, as you can see, The bonnet is also going to need the inside spraying. Wings, bumper will all come off the car and be painted with the rest. But first things first, we need to get this stripped. So we've decided that we're going to paint the complete vehicle, and that way this will restore this to perfection. You could say this is a modern classic, or soon to be a modern classic. So that's what we're doing. Let's go.
Obviously we needed to repair that, but the client also asked us to repaint the complete vehicle, and this is the end result.
Wow, deputy.
A bit more of a detailed overview of the mobile unit. Inside here is an Aladdin's cave of bodywork materials and tools. So in the back of the mobile unit, there is everything associated with vehicle refinishing. Just like the workshop, but on a much smaller scale. For example, the paint mixing system. With the system, combined with some software that I can use on my phone or a laptop, we can mix well over 50,000 colours. Provided the vehicle has a colour code on it and it's not a bespoke vehicle, it's an original manufacturer's colour, then we can mix and match that paint live on site. You might wonder what this piece of equipment is here. Well, it's called a bead breaker. We use this for alloy wheel repairs. Typically, when a wheel has been hit pretty hard and we can't get access to it using a sander, we deflate the tyre, we place the tyre down here, and this part of the machine presses down on the tyre, leaving about an inch or two's gap. What that does is it allows us access to the circumference of the wheel, and that way we can reshape the wheel. A question we get asked frequently is, do we need access to power? No, the answer is. Why we get asked that question is because if we go into someone's workplace and their car park is off-site, obviously we can't plug in. Or if a customer lives in a high-rise apartment block and their vehicle's parked underground, again, there'll be no access to power. We don't need any. This machine here is a generator. It supplies electricity to the van. For that reason, we don't need no power. Great feature. We also have a compressor, which is made by ABAC, supplies us compressed air. And what you can also see down here is a number of weights to sturdy our tent for when we have bad weather. In terms of mobile repair, there is a limit to what we can do on the roadside or at home or at work. It's generally small scuffs, scratches, chips and small dents to vertical panels. Generally speaking, if you've got a scratch or a chip on your bonnet or roof, then we would need to do that in a workshop environment. Guys, thank you for watching this video. I said to you, as the more we upload, the better the quality of these videos will get. Hopefully it's come across that way in this video. What we'll try to do is get you some more content actually on the job at people's places of work, home, or wherever the repairs will be. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Details are below if you need a repair done, and I'll see you on the next one. Who are we? Forgotten. Vehicle damage repair is a very... One more time.
Okay.
What do? We carry out minor damages such as small chips, scratches and dents operated from the mobile... I'm going to nail it one more time. Let's go. Minor damages such as... We also repair vehicles that have been involved in heavy collisions. I can't get my tongue around. Wait, Tom's going to come with that.
1 hour later.
Well, what do? So we carry out minor damages such as chips, scratches.
6.5 hours later.
We have a wide range of equipment in this workshop. Everything associated.
1 eternity later.
It's giving you a bit of an insight into what we do in a bit more detail. And thanks for watching.